Hello everyone and welcome in this new tutorial on Fusion 360. Today we are going to learn how to design a scar nut on Fusion 360. So let's start. Open new design, and in this new design we are going to create a new sketch on top plane. So this sketch will be a rectangle. So come here in create, and in rectangle select the center rectangle. So select your center points and move to enter your dimension. You can enter like 100. Select click on tab on in your keyboard and give again 100. So now your sketch is finished. So select the finish sketch and extrude this sketch. Select extrude and move to enter your dimension. You can enter like 54, 55 and say okay. Now we have our rectangle or our scar. So let's select this face and create a new sketch again. Select sketch and select circle. So we are going to draw a circle at the middle of our plane, and don't give any dimension. Select just here and go to constraint and select tangent. Select your circle and select one line of your scar. So you can select this and say finish sketch. Now select again extrude. Select this face and remove the material. So remove the material at the dimension like minus 54 55, sorry, and come here in tap angle and give some angle like 45. So when you enter this angle you have a conical shape, but it remove the material. We don't need that. So go to operation and select don't cut but intersect. Select intersect and you will see it remove the material and it give the nut appearance here. So if it is good, so select here okay. Now you have your scar nut. It take form. Let's do here the thread. So select this face and come here create. In create, go to take hole. If you select the hole, yeah, you have to take this hole and move it in the center of this face. So now you have a type of, you have your hole type and a simple or another. Here you have a hole type. So in this part, don't select simple, select here typed, and here you have, here you see you have some thread will appear here. So now in the size of your thread, you can change it to give another size. Like you can say, you can give like 44 or another like 70 or another. So here you can move this to remove all of the material here. If it is good to you, you can change here the designation and modify as if you want. So select here model and you will see it will appear automatically and say okay. Now you have your thread here and it's miss some fillet here and here, and our nut will be finished. So go to modify and select here fillet, or click on F in your keyboard to activate fillet. So select here this line, move and select again this line, move is and select this line and this line again. So we can move like this to see if the dimension is correct or no. So we are going to enter 15 and say okay. So now you have your scar nut is finished. If you want to make some chamfer here, you can go to modify again and select chamfer. Select this part and move to enter your dimension. So I think something like 2 dimension is good, and say okay. So now you have your sample and your scarnet is entire finish. So we can change the appearance, go to modify and select your appearance, or select or click in E in your keyboard to activate appearance. In appearance, go to metal, and in metal select aluminum, or we are going to select steel. In steel, select steel cast, and move in your path and say close. Now you have your scarlet is finished, and I hope you like it. If it is that, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and see you for next video.